Hello everyone and welcome to my video on World Skill Center. World Skill Center is one of the premier institutes imparting skill training to the youth of Odisha. Here the students will come and join long-term and short-term courses in different skills to upskill their knowledge, their application of skills and to go to work in the industry where many of them dream of going into. So now I am going to tell you in detail what is actually World Skill Center. So World Skill Center is actually, before going into the World Skill Center, I am going to tell you what I will be telling you in this video. So there will be introduction, what are the courses offered, what is the curriculum, what are the course structure, what are the faculties here, what is the facilities available here, what are the placement perspective, what is the admission information and the admission process about World Skill Center I am going to tell you. So brief introduction about World Skill Center. It is an advanced skill training institute by the government of Odisha. It offers industry oriented courses and it trains the students to become globally employable. It will act as a nodal agency for developing the skill ecosystem in ITIs and polytechnics, and above all the knowledge partner of World Skill Center is the Institute of Technical Education ITE in Singapore. So what are the different courses offered here? There are two course domains, one is engineering and the other is services, and in engineering domain there are four courses, that is facility technology, air conditioning and refrigeration, facility technology, mechanical and electrical services, mechatronics, electrical technology, and there are two services courses, hair fashion and design, beauty wellness and spa. So the duration of the course in these long term courses is 1 year and the number of seats is 240 for each course. So how is the curriculum these engineering courses developed? So I will go into the each and every course and I will tell you what are the different modules that it has. So in facility technology, mechanical and electrical services, we have electrical services, mechanical services, residential air conditioning, piping and plumbing services, fire detection and protection system, facility and system maintenance. So in this, basically in mechanical and electrical services, we will deal with all the building maintenance that we have in day to day life. In a high rise building, whatever type of maintenance you need, that can be done if a technician undergoes mechanical and electrical services. Now coming on to the next course, that is facility technology, air conditioning and refrigeration. As the name suggests, it will deal with air conditioning and the different refrigerations that we have in our day to day life. So the basic courses or the basic modules that we have in this air conditioning and refrigeration are electrical services, residential air conditioning, integrated building management system, commercial air conditioning distribution and the commercial refrigeration system. Here a technician will be able to know the different techniques that are used in the air conditioning and refrigeration module in the industry as well as the residential part also. And another advanced course we are going into or looking into are mechatronics. The mechatronics module has 9 modules, but it is confined it to 8 as we have collated CAD and mechanical technology into a single module. So the modules are pneumatics, electrical installation, electronics, CAD and mechanical technology, drive and motor control, automation and basic robotics, PLC and sensor, and the hydraulics part. So as the name suggests, it is a mixture of mechanical and electronic trades which are actually used in industry for automation and programming purpose. So you will find robotics works here, automation works, how the sensor work in the industry, and also the basics of pneumatics, electrical installation, electronics and the hydraulics. Now moving on to the next module, that is basically a more core module that you can say from the name, it is electrical technology. Electrical technology basically focuses on how the electrical industry operates, like electrical circuits and principles, electrical installations and its testing, electrical machines and the control, electrical drafting and design, electrical power and switchboards, industrial control and automation, intelligent building automation system. So here we'll look into the basic concepts of electricity and the basic concepts of electrical engineering applied to the industry for automation and also building a new industry 4.0 platform for all of this. Here the students will learn the different concepts of electrical engineering integrated in the industry system. So these are all the 4 courses of engineering that are offered at World Skill Center. Now moving into the services module. We have 2 services courses, that is beauty, wellness and spa, hair, fashion and design. As the name suggests, beauty, wellness and spa, who doesn't want to look good? So these courses can be used by development of personal health, hygiene and also how we can look good and be presentable. So the modules in beauty, wellness and spa are salon procedures, makeup applications, basic facial treatments, customer service in the salon, manicure, pedicure and nail art, aesthetic therapy, massage therapy and the spa treatments. So these are basically the beauty modules and the spa modules. So moving into the hair, fashion and design, this will be basically focusing on the hair and how we are going to take care of the hair and how the different designs that we can use. So here also we have salon procedures, shampoo and head massage, basic hair styling, basic hair cutting, basic hair coloring, customer service in the salon, advanced hair coloring and hair plumbing. As with these services courses and also with the engineering courses, we have the life skill modules also, which basically focus on personal and professional development, design thinking, entrepreneurship, software application and also yoga and sports. So apart from the development of your technical skills, your life skills are also going to be developed. So I am going into the each and every course now. So first of all, we are going into the air conditioning and refrigeration. So the photos that you are seeing are actually of the batch 1 students who have taken admission and the labs that are available in air conditioning and refrigeration. An air conditioning and refrigeration technician is one who installs, maintains, troubleshoots and repairs residential and commercial air conditioning and the refrigeration system. The work he or she performs are like installation of air conditioning and refrigeration system, perform routine maintenance and parts replacement and perform the testing and commissioning. So air conditioning and refrigeration, it's 6 modules. You can find cold rooms, you can find chiller plant, you can find basic electrical services, you can find residential air conditioning, you can find commercial air conditioning, as well as a lot on how these concepts actually work. So these equipments are actually being procured from Schneider Electric and some of them has come from Labtech also. And what are the potential industries we are looking into for recruitment? Like Carrier, Daikin, Haier, Hitachi, Mitsubishi Electric and the Whirlpool Corporation. You can look, and also some of the placement details I'll be sharing during my video. The next is mechanical and electrical services. So a mechanical and electrical services technician, the job profile will be called a building service technician, is one who performs first line maintenance and repairs of almost all services available in a commercial, industrial, institutional and residential building. So here a building service technician can take care of the whole high rise building at one go. So the performance the work he has to perform are maintenance of air service units, provide maintenance and service of fire detection and fire protection system, repair water supply, sanitary pipe works and fixtures, set up and maintain AV system, PS system and CCTV systems, and he can also be used as a welder, as an electrician. So all these items or all these work which are at maintenance in a high rise building, that can be done in electrical and mechanical services. So also here I am showing you some of the pictures here, that a student is working on a fire module, a sprinkler system here, and also some of the students are actually installing the CCTV camera. And what are the potential industries that we look into? Bentley, Johnson Controls, Safex, Samsung, United Technology, and also I have one new opportunity here, that some of the students, they are actually joining EFS Dubai for the placement of, as some of the students of batch 1 have got into EFS Dubai, and they are actually going into this service technician line, and they are very happy there. So next I am going to tell you about the next module, the next course, that is mechatronics. So the mechatronics technician is one who installs, calibrates, commissions, troubleshoots and maintains industrial automated production system. They actually have to perform the following works like maintenance of pneumatics and hydraulic systems, install and maintain motor and motor controllers, troubleshoot electronic systems, set up and maintain industrial automation system. So you can see the students working on PLC, how a conveyor belt works, how they are going to program the conveyor belt and PLC to operate in industry. And also you can see a student here operating a robot which is from Yaskawa, and he can actually program the robot to work according to his will. So what are the potential industries we are looking into? ABB, Honeywell, Danhar, Omron, Schneider Electrics and Siemens. So these are all the potential industries we are looking into while we talk about the mechatronics. So next, the next course is electrical technology. Electrical technology, as you can see from the word, the job profile will be an electrical technician, is a skilled worker who installs and maintains electrical installation, equipments and systems, as well as telecommunication and data cabling systems in domestic premises, commercial buildings and industrial plants. So here he or she can perform like designing, installation, repairing, maintain and test electrical supply installations. Also he or she can perform domestic and industrial wiring, maintain and repair electrical rotating machines, install and maintain industrial automation systems, maintain telephone and data cabling network. So here also we can see students working on fault simulators, they are working on laptop and programming the simulators here. So the potential industries that can come into the picture are Schneider Electric, Crompton Greaves, Havells, Siemens, General Electric, V-Guard and n number of companies can come in at electrical technology. So now I am going to tell you about the services courses. As we all discussed earlier that hair fashion and design and beauty wellness and spa are the two courses that actually help us in grooming ourselves for day-to-day life activities. So in this course students will be trained in the full range of hairdressing services that will open the door to a rewarding career as a professional hairstylist. So the training includes hair cutting, hair styling, chemical techniques and hair coloring at the forefront of the latest fashion trends, identifying and performing scalp treatment according to the client facial features, occupation and the lifestyles. And what are the potential industries you look into? Javed Habib, Lakma Saloon, L'Oreal Paris, Naturals and many more. And also these students can be the young entrepreneurs and can start up their own saloons by becoming a hairstylist, professional hairstylist. Now beauty wellness and spa. So course overview of beauty wellness and spa is like, in this course students will learn the complete range of beauty services as well as to develop their customer service skills. Like the training includes facial treatments, makeup, spa treatment and manicure and pedicure. The students will learn client management skills in addition to their practical skills, and they will be prepared to impress with valuable knowledge of the most recent beauty products and services. So what are the potential industries we'll see? Affinity saloons, green trends, indulge and many more. We can have these saloons, and we also look to see young entrepreneurs set up their own saloons, and beauty beauty products they will also invent, so that we can have this whole grooming set for everybody, and everybody is actually entitled to have this grooming and look good. So now I will tell you about the faculties of World Skill Center. So the School of Engineering faculties are from the lecturers from Government Polytechnic and ATOs from Government ITIs. They are very highly experienced and having a lot of experience in the technical background. The School of Services have experienced persons from various service sectors like different saloons and different spas. Also the faculties of life skills are very good experts from the soft skill sectors. Adding to it, the trainers from the government ITIs and polytechnics have undergone a 4-week training in Singapore, in IT Singapore, for they are enhancing their technical skills, as well as they have gone through both pedagogy training by IT Singapore in Bhubaneswar. What are the facilities available at World Skill Center? Actually, the World Skill Center is one of the training hubs for the skill competition. They have the advanced labs, we have the smart campus, the cafeteria, also the library. Also, we have a parents students counseling center. We have separate hostels for boys and girls, and also have recreation center for indoor games and sports. So, what is different in World Skill Center? We have a student exchange program where the top students from each course will be sent to IT Singapore for 2 weeks to learn and gain the future skills at Singapore. They get to know the culture of Singapore with a chance to relive their journey of transformation as a developed country. So I am sharing with you the photo of our first batch who went to student exchange program with our trainers Mitrakshi and Jyotirmay, who accompanied them for a 2-week long transformation journey in Singapore. There are also some other glimpses of the exchange program shared by the trainers. These the students having for day out at Gardens by the Bay. Also, these are the labs that they were getting trained in ITE. Also, they visited some of the near industries. Now, coming into the student internship program. Students are selected on the basis of merit and get an opportunity to work in industry at Singapore for a period of 6 months. A MOU between ITES and WSC is signed at Make in Odisha 2022 for the student internship program. And the batch 1 of interns of WSC are set to be held from 15th January 2023 to 14th July 2023. So they are leaving on 15th of January and they are starting a different journey in the industries overseas. Now coming into the major part, that is the placements. The students who successfully complete the program will be equipped with necessary skills for placement in nationally and globally renowned companies. The placement assistance will be provided to the successful trainees. So here you can see a list of companies who have come to World Skill Center and have actually recruited students. So the batch 1 recruitment, batch 1 students have been recruited by these companies like EFS Dubai, and you can see NSK Bearings Chennai, Hitachi Chennai, DN Groups Bhubaneswar, Smart Eye Technology Bhubaneswar, as well as in Pune Piaggio Vehicles, and also a lot of companies like Mittal, Jindal, they are also coming in, and the recruitment process is still going on for the batch 1 students. So there are a lot of opportunities you can see after you join WSC. So to summarize the placements, the total students were 214 in the first batch, out of which 147 got placed, 10 got internship in actually this number has increased to 18 now, so the numbers will also change. So the total placed including the Singapore internship will go up to 165 because it is 18. So 165 students have joined. Student who are the percentage is actually 75%, and the students who got 2 jobs is also 40 students have got 2 jobs. So the breakup is here according to the different courses. So there are huge opportunities as you join World Skill Center. So how you are going to get admitted? So the eligibility for engineering courses is students have to complete 2 years of ITI or diploma in engineering or technology. Students are in final year or year can also apply, but for only September intake, but for March intake the final year students cannot apply. The maximum age limit for admissions to the courses is 25 years as on 1st of January 2023, and for services courses the eligibility is +2 or diploma in any discipline, and the students who are in final year can apply only in the September intake, not in the March intake. So you have actually 2 intakes, one in the March intake and other one is the September intake. So the maximum age limit for the courses is 25 years as on 1st of January 2023. There are reservations for women, horizontal reservation. Also for scheduled castes and scheduled tribes we have 15 and 23% reservation. Persons with disabilities are also having 4% reservation, and the winners of skill competition are having 5% reservations. So the students who are actually the permanent residents of Odisha can only apply in World Skill Center as it is a Government of Odisha initiative. So what is the fee structure? The course fee is 20,000. For first semester is 10 and for second semester 10,000, which includes all the hostel facility, messing, the uniform, the training cost, everything, transportation, everything is included in this 20,000. So there is separate boys and girls hostel around, the intake is 1200, so the boys hostel capacity will be 1000 and the girls hostel capacity will be 500, and we have free mess, like you will get 4 times food a day, which is very high quality, and you will get to live in hostel arrangements which will be provided by WSC free of cost. Also they will be providing you bus directly from your hostels to come to the institutes and get trained and then go back to your hostels again by the bus facility which is given by World Skill Center. And the certification course is actually given by World Skill Center. And another one more thing I will going to add here, which is not included in the presentation, is that ITES is actually giving you the ISQ certificate, like IT skill qualification, which is internationally accepted skill qualification, and which will be an extra edge to your career, and which is very rare. And actually this rare opportunity is only given at World Skill Center. So apart from its own certification, World Skill Center has signed a MOU with ITS Singapore, which will be giving ISQ, ITS skill qualification, which is one of the rarest thing and is one of the premier skill certificates that you will receive, which is internationally accepted by all the companies. So now what is the admission process? The notification is already out, the online application has already started. So after the end of the online application, there will be admit cards and you can have the examination, WSCE 2023 examination. Once this application exam is complete, there will be a publication of a merit list. After the publication of merit list, the students will be called for counseling and they will be taking admission for the third batch of WSC. For any other queries related to admission procedure, you can come back and comment on my video. Also, the information brochure for World Skill Center Entrance Examination 2023 is in the website. The link is there, www.worldskillcenter.org/admissions, and the above mentioned dates are tentative and might get changed also. So you can get updated with my channel. I will share you with all the necessary changes in the dates and all the necessary information about World Skill Center. You can come back on my channel and see what is it. So I am going to show you a small video on World Skill Center, how it is going to help you in the journey for the next level skilling.
In the year 2016, Honorable Chief Minister Shri Naveen Patnaik laid the foundation for Skilled in Odisha, taking the state ITI's vocational, life skills and digital skilling to the forefront of the national education landscape. In a short span of 3 years, Odisha's Aswath Narayan won the first ever gold for India at the 45th World Skills Competition, signaling the transformation in technical and vocational education in India. This provided the momentum to the vision of the World Skills Center, a state-run premier institute for advanced skilling. A collaboration forged between Odisha Skill Development and world-class partners like Asian Development Bank and ITES Singapore. With the target of training 151,000 youths of Odisha, the investment is projected at a stupendous 1,342.2 crore rupees. World Skill Center has been designated to operate along with the state ITIs and polytechnic colleges in a hub and spoke manner, with a clear pursuit of bringing more gold in skilling for India, training the trainers for ITIs, industry-ready digital skilling, life skills to prepare future leaders, nano unicorn or entrepreneurship training, response to innovating products for COVID-19, increasing the share of girl trainees, and digital content creation for virtual learning. Training will be conducted in a blended format in 8 niche areas: mechanical and electrical services, refrigeration and air conditioning, vertical transport, mechatronics, electric technology, precision engineering, hair and fashion design, beauty and wellness. In its full capacity, World Skill Center will deliver 3,000 students each year. To support this ecosystem, a 4-week-long technical training in Singapore and virtual pedagogical training was imparted by ITEES. All this has manifested into a state-of-the-art campus in the heart of the state capital, Bhubaneswar. Spread across an area of 450,000 square feet, WSC is the tallest building in all of Odisha, featuring a helipad, earthquake-resistant structure, carbon wrapping and mechanical enforcement for strength, with proximity to Mancheswar Industrial Hub and ease for travel via air, rail and bus terminals. The World Skill Center, Bhubaneswar, is heralding a new age of industry preparedness.
So for the contact details, I am here sharing with you the contact details of World Skill Center. You can directly visit the website and apply for it, and also the phone number is there, and also you can contact me via my YouTube channel, and you can comment me if you need any assistance for getting admitted into World Skill Center. Thank you very much. We are looking forward to see you soon on WSC. We look forward to you to joining WSC. Thank you. Have a nice day.